impeachment ni Sara, i-dismiss ba?
Wala akong expectations of acquittal or a verdict guilty. Basta sa akin lang ay tinanggap ko na kung ano yung magiging verdict. Whether guilty man yon or acquittal, I'm already at peace. If at all there will be a trial, I think it is wrong to start counting votes now. Rin talaga sila. Really, I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga.
Matapos magsimba, ayan agad ang sinabi ni VP Sara, adding na crucifixion niya raw yun. Not really referring to the bloodbath, rather siya ang maliligo sa kanyang sariling dugo after marami ang nagalit sa kanyang pagsasalita patungkol sa isang violenteng kind of confrontational laban sa mga bagong prosecutors ng kanyang impeachment trial.
I think many misunderstood the word bloodbath and many didn't want to understand, refused to understand what it meant. We have always said that the impeachment is a political persecution. It is the administration going after me after I resigned from the cabinet. And if it's a persecution, it's some sort of crucifixion against me. Diba? And so when there's a crucifixion, there's blood. So it's a bloodbath, my bloodbath.
Pero bakit parang ayaw ng trial? Sinabi ni Tol Talunan Talentino saying na, functionally dismiss na ang impeachment case ni Duterte as he moved to dismiss it. Na hindi raw ito magro-roll over at hindi raw ito pwede mag-roll over sa 20th Congress.
I respectfully deliver this manifestation to address a pressing constitutional concern.